Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to transfer Bitcoin from SafePal to Cash App safely and easily. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move your crypto without errors or delays. First, open the SafePal app and make sure your cryptocurrency is in Bitcoin. Cash App only supports Bitcoin deposits. So this step is essential. If your funds are in another cryptocurrency, use the swap feature inside SafePal to convert them into Bitcoin. This ensures compatibility when sending to Cash App. Once your Bitcoin is ready, open Cash App and head to the Bitcoin section. Tap on Deposit Bitcoin and copy your Bitcoin wallet address. This is where you'll send your funds. Now, return to the SafePal app and paste the copied Bitcoin address into the send field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, then choose a network fee that fits your needs. A higher fee means a faster confirmation, while a lower fee may take a bit longer. Before sending, double check every detail, the address, amount, and network. One small mistake could lead to lost funds, so take a moment to verify everything. Once confirmed, send the Bitcoin and wait for the transaction to process. You can check your Cash App Bitcoin balance after a short while, but remember, confirmation times vary depending on the Bitcoin network speed. And that's it. You've successfully moved your Bitcoin from SafePal to Cash App. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more crypto tutorials like this one.